If you want to make money and get rich, but somehow you always feel stuck in between, this video is what you need to break the shackles and solve this problem for good. You might have wondered sometimes why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth, while others struggle no matter how hard they work. There is a secret behind it, and this secret often lies in their mindset and how they train their brains to think about money. In today's video, we'll cover everything from building a positive money mindset to practical strategies that you can start using today. So, let's get started. Number 1. Understand the money mindset. To understand the role that our minds play in wealth creation, we need to know just how powerful it can be. The brain is such an interesting part of our body. Its prefrontal cortex is responsible for most of our greatest ideas. Unfortunately, many of us don't realize how much potential we have up there and go about living mediocre lives. If you want an athletic physique, you're going to have to train your muscles consistently. Just like muscles, the mind needs to be trained to yield the best results. Do you know what a fixed mindset is? It's when you believe your basic features like your talents and intelligence can't be changed and are permanently fixed. The thing is that no one was born with a perfect mind. But with a mindset like this, there's no way you can make improvements. What you need is a growth mindset. A growth mindset will not only pave the way for a better future, it'll make you feel much better about yourself, knowing that nothing can limit you. Financial success is greatly dependent on the type of mindset you stick with. In a previous video, we talked about investing your money in real estate to build generational wealth. Even if you do your homework well, there are still going to be risks involved when it comes to investing your hard-earned money. Only someone with guts can go through with it. Also, kindly do away with your limiting beliefs. Imagine constantly telling yourself and your children that money is the root of all evil. How do you expect it to work for you if you're constantly against it? Treat money like a lover. Embrace it and be thankful for it. When you make some of it, be eager to get more. This might sound cheesy, but if you ever find yourself in doubt, try making affirmations and visualizations, especially when you wake up in the morning. It'll help you believe that you deserve the life you dream of. Number 2. Build financial habits. If you've ever read James Clear's best-selling book, Atomic Habits, then you should know just how far habits can go in helping you get the thing you desire, in this case, money. A good example of a life-changing habit is learning to live without your phone. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how would I survive without my phone? Before you come for me, let me remind you that some of our ancestors never even had the opportunity to operate phones. Imagine just how much extra time they had on their hands. It's no wonder that reading was so popular back then. I mean, a study by Zippia showed that 66% of American workers use their phones while on the job. I'm not done, there's more. The study also revealed the fact that the average employee spends almost 8 hours per week on the phone doing non-work-related things. In my opinion, these are rookie numbers. Some youngsters spend up to 10 hours on their phones in a day, leaving them with just 14 hours to do something productive. And they're definitely still going to sleep at night. So I'll leave the rest to you. Do the math and see how much time they have left to get rich. You can't make money if you live like this. Do you know that even though most billionaires buy the largest TVs, they hardly ever spend time with them? If technology isn't making your life easier, then put it aside for a moment. Besides, there are so many distracting things on our devices that by the time we drop them, it is hard to focus for the rest of the day. The content you consume can fry your dopamine receptors if you don't keep it in check. So, creating a habit where you try to detox your mind by letting go of your phone is essential for financial growth. There are so many other financial habits I'd love to share with you, but let's only talk about one more, which is setting goals for each day. You don't want to be confused by the time you wake up on a Monday morning. At night, you should ensure you plan what the next day will look like. Make it realistic and do it smartly. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many tasks and put the difficult ones first. If not, after doing a couple of easy tasks, your mind would be tricked into believing that you've actually had a productive day. This is a tried and trusted method, and it has created so many millionaires and high-level individuals you see today. Number 3. The chessboard mentality. When it comes to making more money, mindset is everything. The way you perceive opportunities Challenges and your own abilities can significantly influence your financial success. Think of your financial journey as a game of chess. Chess Grandmaster Maurice Ashley teaches you to imagine the pieces wherever you want them on the board. This mindset frees your mind to explore all possibilities, not just the current limitations. Apply this to your financial goals by visualizing where you want to be and then strategically planning your moves to get there. Too often, we walk into financial decisions already defeated, much like boxers facing Mike Tyson in his prime. They lost before they even stepped into the ring because they let fear and doubt control them. Don't let your mind be your greatest adversary. Consciously push past mental barriers that tell you something can't be done. If you believe you can achieve your financial goals, you're more likely to find ways to make them happen. Always have a one more go strategy. This means pushing past perceived limits. Whether it's pursuing a new business opportunity, negotiating a deal, or seeking a promotion, adopt the mentality that you always have one more effort in you. Your actual limits are far beyond what your mind perceives, so keep striving. Number 4. Cultivate an abundance mindset. Your mind should be the wildest, freest place where you can dream of everything you've ever wanted. Cultivate an abundance mindset by focusing on opportunities rather than obstacles. Believe that there is enough wealth and success to go around and that you are capable of achieving your share. Fearlessly charge on your bigger hurdles. You might fail or face setbacks, but the key is to keep moving forward. Burn your initial fear and hesitation and commit fully to your endeavors. When setting financial goals, imagine what is the ideal outcome you want. Where do you want to be financially? What lifestyle do you envision? Once you have a clear picture, work backwards to identify the steps necessary to achieve that vision. This makes the path to success clearer and more manageable. Number 5. Enhance financial skills. The habits we just mentioned won't be enough to help you get that mindset. To train your brain to make money, you have to do things that will help you increase your income. Warren Buffett says, "The best kind of investment you can make is in anything that improves you." We're in the digital age, and learning new skills is essential. Unfortunately, many of the skills I'm talking about aren't taught in school, so you might have to learn them on your own. Take online courses with Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, and other platforms. Cybersecurity is a field that can bring you a buckload of money every month. You can learn it at a higher level at a university. If you have an interest in the business world, don't hesitate to take courses on negotiation, investing, and entrepreneurship. Knowledge in these areas can help you increase your income. Also, try your best to stay up to date with financial trends. We learn every day, and only sticking to the things you learned in the past can hinder your progress. A good example of a trend like that is cryptocurrency. It started with Bitcoin in 2009. And at the time, Bitcoin wasn't worth much, but look at it today. Good knowledge of Web 3.0 and other promising trends can take you places and speed up your journey to financial freedom. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips and techniques helpful and that you're excited to start applying them in your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite tip from this video. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.